Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel KS Automation. So, so in this video I am gonna share about what is Scada, type of Scada, why we use Scada, and which industry use Scada. Invention of and you new on my YouTube channel, so please hit the like button and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's get started. First, I'm going to see about what is Scada. So Scada. What is Scada? Scada usually refer to the centralized system which is monitor central site central control room. Means that example a plant that is uploaded up which is that is operating from central control room. Central control room means engine central control room. So all over the plant working operator from the central control room. So it is a what is SCADA? SCADA usually refer to the centralized system which is monitor central site central control room. Central site means plant and central control room means control room of the plant. Full form of SCADA. SCADA, SCADA. S means supervisory, C means control, D and D means data, A means acquisition. Supervisory, control. So we can easily supervise of the plant every moment. Supervisory means what happening in the plant. We can operate and we can monitor both. Supervisory means we can operate the plant and also we can easily monitor the plant. Operate the plant means we can start pump, stop pump and start stop pump, open valve, close valve and open control valve, open close control valve, so many things. And control, supervisory control means controlling and also supervising. In supervising we can use easily supervise of SCADA PNID page and we can control from the SCADA operation page. And data acquisition, we can gather data from the field in trend or also in alarm. In trend and also in alarms. And also report, we can take a report of the plant. Supervisory, work as a camera, control, doing control. Data acquisition, gather data from the field means alarm events and also trends and also alarm event both. Alarm event, trend and reporting. SCADA is a software. SCADA is software. Why we use SCADA? So typically SCADA system are used to automated complex complex process where human control is impractical. Typically SCADA system are automate complex process. We can easily automate any complex process. Example, dairy plant and oil and gas plant, dairy plant, oil and gas plant, RO plant, and any other plants. Process where human control is impractical. So where human human can easily control the SCADA or plant. SCADA use industries including the challenging provide 24 into 7 monitor because plant working in 24 hour. So it is a must to monitor and control plant by the use SCADA. Certified logistic cost quick create value and implementing basic SCADA control system. What is the use of SCADA in industry? SCADA is a software. With the help of SCADA, supervisory and controlling and data collection in our plant or industry. So we can easily supervise of the plant, we can easily control of the plant, and also we can easily take data from the plant. Example, any transmitter, label transmitter, flow transmitter, control temperature transmitter, label transmitter, flow transmitter, and temperature transmitter, label transmitter, flow transmitter, conductivity transmitter, weight transmitter, and weight indicator, control transmitter, mass flow indicator. So we can take data in SCADA. Also we can uh, monitor data in that form of trend and in that form of alarms, and we can also monitor in the form of reporting. Invention of SCADA. The first SCADA invention early in 1950 to 1960. So next is type of SCADA. How many type of SCADA that is using industry? So four type of SCADA system: monitoring SCADA system, distributing SCADA system, network SCADA system, and IoT internet think of SCADA system. But I am only talking about in my coming videos only factory talk view SCADA system of Rockwell. Factory talk view SCADA and also factory talk view HMI, ME and SE. Next is application of SCADA. Application of SCADA. So what is the application of SCADA? Is oil and gas industry, packaging industry. Packaging industry means water package, water packaging industry. Milk packaging industry means dairy industry. Solar system. So and others, RO system and other application, other industries. Some of the company SCADA system, some of the leading company SCADA system, company name and SCADA. So Wonderware providing InTouch, but right now in industry not using InTouch more. It is a very old software, very old software. So right now companies, most of the companies not using InTouch, and Rockwell Automation. Rockwell Automation RS View 32. It is a very old software of Rockwell Automation when developed first Scada by the Rockwell Automation. So that is the name of RSView 32. But right now, Scada Rockwell Automation is not providing RSView 32. Right now, Scada system providing Story Talk View Studio. So uh, now, if you plan to learn Scada and go your working, if you plan work on Scada, so I suggest you please not learn RSView 32, because right now industry is not using RS32. That is a so Rockwell Automation, that is a software of Rockwell Automation. And Siemens Scada system. Siemens WinCC. Sorry, here it is a factory talk view. Factory talk view studio. Fact, factory talk, but full name of factory talk is factory talk view studio. And currently using in the industry factory talk view version 13 and version 14. This is a current version of Rockwell Automation. And WinCC Advanced and WinCC Basic, that is provided by the Siemens company. So next is property of Scada. So what is the property of Scada? Property of Scada is location, visibility, fill color, line color, object size, orientation. So all many things I am gonna cover in my coming videos. Features of Scada: recipe management, hide window, show window, security, database connectivity, trend, and also alarms. PLC to SCADA communication. Type of tag. So two type of tag in the SCADA system. First is the memory type tag. Second is device type tag. So memory tag, where is do make project only SCADA system, but do not communicate with software like PLC, Excel, PNID, PLC and Excel, and PNID controller, etc. But device tag, if uh, with the help of device tag we can communicate device tag with PLC. So other type of tag in SCADA system: memory real, memory discrete, memory integer, and memory message. So what do you mean by memory real? So memory real means combination of integer or combination of integer. Memory real means in integer memory, but float memory means point data. Memory discrete means that memory discrete means zero either one. Memory integer means 32767 to plus 32767 to minus 32767. Device message combination of number